cuci. 26. 27 tahun dah. Time tu saya sedih. Saya sebulan tak makan. Kita sedih sebab kita muda. Sebab kita ni kira boleh kerja. Kalau tak sakit boleh kerja macam-macam tempat. Boleh tolong keluarga.
I got work in the stadium before, part-time lah. I do that to not only to earn for my own self, but to pay for my fees. That time I did that, yeah. Supposed to go 3 times a week, but that one also, during the financial constraint, I got problem in the financial, so I say, I need to skip this session. Skip this session, go the next session.
X square lepas tu
Ini okay, 3/3. I cannot do the heavy job lah. Yeah, because one hand cannot carry heavy things. That job all was heavy. Need to carry heavy things. Yeah. Just tuition. Tuition also part time. Around 50 ringgit one class, one person. Yeah. I use for my transportation.
Will it be tiring because you need to go dialysis, then you need to go study, and then you need to work and give tuition?
A bit tiring, but okay, can survive. To survive, can do this.
Ni apa?
Ini saya buat persembahan moral yang dapat Johan. Dia pun tanya, kan saya dialisi, dia pun cakap penat tau. Letih tak habis cuci? Saya cakap tak ada. Saya kata ada tenaga, okey je. Saya menari, habis saya cuci pun saya menari. Orang pun tak tahu, orang ingat saya tak sakit. Saya menari happy je.